I have done the experiment of chemical synthesis of the aspirin. Now you can see that these are the chemical requirement. This is the 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, that is salicylic acid, and this is the acetic anhydride, and this is sulfuric acid, and this is ethanol for recrystallization. You can see the glassware requirement. This is the slide funnel, 2 RB is there, and one conical is there. And now I have weighted the 1 gram of the salicylic acid, and while waiting it should be carefully weighted. Now you can see I am waiting of 1 gram of salicylic acid. And carefully it should be done. The salicylate should not be spread out outside. It is approximately 1 gram of salicylic acid. After waiting, we remove the 1 gram of acetic acid and pour into the 25 ml of RB. And carefully it should be done. The salicylate should not be spread outside. And this is the magnetic star bar, and I have added this to. Now I have added 2.5 ml of the acetic anhydride. And now you can see that this is the 2.5 ml of acetic anhydride I have added to the RB. And homogeneously mix. And now I have added 2 to 3 drop of the sulfuric acid, and it is corrosive, so carefully we should be taken. And now mixing up of the reaction mixer, and now you can see the temperature should be maintained at 80 degrees centigrade. And now I have clamped the RB. Now I have started the stirring. You can see by which the reactions is homogeneously mixing up, and you can see the stirring is started. You can see the all the solid materials was dissolved now. And after 10 minutes the reaction is over, and we should lift the RB and remove from the water heating water bath. And then I have added 1 ml of water, for acetic anhydride removal in the from the reaction mixer. And now I have added, you can see I have added 1 ml of water for acetic anhydride, the excess excess acetic anhydride. And then I have added ice cold water to precipitate the product. You can see now I have added the ice cold water for precipitation. You can see the reaction mixer that the product is precipitated out after scratching with spatula. Now I rubbed with spatula for crystallization, for precipitation. And after precipitation you can see that the precipitate comes out. And then I have taken in the slide funnel and start the vacuum for filtration, and the product which is in RB I have washed with the water for 2 to 3 times. And now I have washed with the ice cold water, by which the acetic anhydride will go with water from the product. Now I have taken a filter paper all the products should be taken in the filter paper. And now I have keep in the hot air oven at 100 degree centigrade. And now I have after 30 minutes I have waited the crude product, and you can see I am tearing it, and I have awaited the crude product. The door should be closed, and after waiting we can see the weight, final weight is 1.192 gram. And now I have started the crystallization. You can see now I have added, now I am taking the product in the and now I have added ethanol and dissolve all the materials, all the product. You can see now I am dissolving it. You can see the product is dissolving in ethanol. It is the aspirin product. You can see it is dissolving. Now you can see it is all the product is dissolved, and I have added the cold water. You can see for crystallization. And then you can see the crystal comes out. You can see we got the crystal product. Now I am started the experiment of checking melting point in melting point apparatus. You can see this is the aspirin. It is now I am taking it. And it is already taken, and now I have put in the melting point apparatus. And you can see now the temperature is around 30 degrees centigrade. Now I have started the apparatus. You can see when the product will be melted, and then I will check the thermometer, and I got the melting point of this aspirin. You can see still now it is not dissolving, and now still not it is not melting, sorry. And it is time taking process. You can see it is melted already, and you can see the temperature that is around 130. .130 centigrade. At 130 centigrade it is melted, and the melting point is 130 to 135 degrees centigrade, and the experiment is done.